Hey guys, I'm going to swap this bracelet out on my Grand Seiko for a blue band that will be a little more comfortable for everyday wear. I want to show you how I do it since there doesn't seem to be a whole lot of videos on this. But first of all, we need to be very careful. This is a great opportunity to scratch the heck out of your nice watch, and it's going to absolutely ruin your day. Then you'll be on Chrono 24 trying to offload it while explaining that the scratch really isn't all that bad. And we don't want to deal with that, so be very careful. No rings. Don't use these tools. They're called spring tools. I've got two of them from two different manufacturers, and for some reason, neither one of them seem to work with the Grand Seiko. So we don't need that. Gets a little awkward, and I was worried about scratching the watch after about 5 minutes of fighting with it and finally giving it up. So all we're going to use is a flathead jeweler's screwdriver and a soft paper towel. That's it. That's all we need. So I just got this blue band in the mail, and I'm going to put it on this watch. So to start, let's take a look at what we are dealing with. This is a spring bar, and you'll notice on the spring bar there are these posts at each end, and this is what locks the bracelet or band into place on the watch housing. And also about 1 millimeter from the ends of the post, you'll see these ridges. And what we want to do is take our jeweler screwdriver, grab these ridges, trying to do this while looking at the screen, and press the post inward into the housing. And that's going to release the band from the watch housing. All right, you'll notice that it's spring activated. You can contract these in, and then they'll spring back out. So here's the tricky part. We need to contract both ends of the spring bar while at the same time applying upward pressure on the bracelet. So we're going to get in there and move this post inward, and then we're going to get in there and move this post inward while pressing upward on this part of the bracelet. So this is how I do it. And I take a piece of paper towel and I fold it about the width of the watch band. And then at the end, I'll fold it again to make it thicker. Then I'll take the watch, place it face down on the paper towel with the band up against this thicker part. That's going to give me the upward pressure that I need as I'm moving these posts out of position. So I'm going to do one side and then the other side, and then hopefully this band will just pop right out. So here we go. Make sure it's in focus. First side, I got the ridge, I'm pulling in. I think I got that side out. Now I'm gonna go for the other side. And there it is. Easy, right? There's the spring. See, it's the same kind of spring bar that I was just showing you. Now I'm gonna do the other side. Same thing. Pressing down on the case. Going in with the screwdriver. Got the first one out. Nope, not quite. And that's it. Now again, you got to be really careful. Some people will get in there and tape their watch up. Maybe if this was a more expensive watch, I probably would have done that. There's nothing worse than scratching your watch. These bands have these quick release mechanisms on the spring bar, so I don't have to deal with a tool to do this. You just press this in with your thumbnail. Let's see, so it goes here. Oop. I want to do that. I got that side in. I got that side in. So there's my watch. There's another band on it. And so I don't have to wear that bracelet every day. All right, that's it. Thanks, guys. Let me know what you think.